Okay, I'm going to show you how I got stripes around the entryway with gold leaf and paint. First, I took some painter's tape, and there are going to be three colors. They're going to be white, black, and gold. So I used 3 pieces of tape to make the opening so they will be all the same size. So you see that there are 2 pieces together, and then there's 1 space. And I just did that all along the wall there. And then I took a brush and just painted it black because the white is already going to be there. Now this is to make the black lines. Once the paint dries, you take the tape off, and then you will then put tape over the black stripes, and then you're going to be prepared for the gold leaf. You're going to use the spray adhesive and spray the spray adhesive in the spaces where there is no tape, and then you're going to apply the gold leaf as I've done here in this picture. And with gold leaf, all you have to do is pick up a piece of gold leaf, and remember, gold leaf is very fragile. Just lay it there and just kind of smooth it off. That adhesive is going to make it stick. It's going to stick. It's not, no way it's not going to stick. And because you've already got the tape there, you're going to make sure it won't go over the black, because remember, you put the tape over the black, and then you're also going to have the white covered too. So your black and white is still going to be black and white. And then the only spot that will have gold will be the spot that you left open for the gold leaf. And that's really just it. So all you're going to do at this point is remove tape and just make sure that the gold leaf is in the right spots. Now, I had a few spaces. Oh, no, after I did that, I also used a sealant to just kind of smooth over the gold leaf. So just in case somebody hit the wall or something, the sealant. So it's called, I had already got paint on it. It's just a metal leaf sealant. Then there were some lines that I didn't like, and because I didn't like the crookedness of them, I just decided to use this thin gold tape, and I'll put all the supplies underneath this video just so you can easily find them. But I just used some thin gold tape to just put on the wall there. I also, a few of the ends were sticking up a little bit, and I just kind of used a little glue to kind of make sure they stayed there. I mean, if you need to change this later, all you can sand this off. It's not going to be no big deal. But voila, this is it. So this is how my entryway turned out.